Imagine 500 years ago how the houses and the doors would look like. Behind me are antique doors that we've brought for the first time ever. As you'll see, the design of the knocker, it's classic style, Ottoman Empire style. Also this handle, okay? But that is not the only reason why you should buy this door. This door is 3D design, it's water resistant, it's fire resistant, locks at 13 points. It has glass above there to allow natural light and so forth and so on. So I want to explain some of those terminologies. I don't want to boggle you with so much terminologies. So just a brief explanation. The frame itself, 1.5 millimeters thick, very thick. The frame is a very important component of the door because it determines the strength of the door after installation. And as I talked about, it's a double door. The width is 1.2 meters and the height is 2.3 meters. It has a smaller leaf. I want to show you how it opens. Very high quality stainless steel locking mechanism. This will allow you to move in furniture, or if you have guests and you want them to enjoy the wide part of it. And most important, we have stainless steel hinges which are hidden for security purposes, because when you lock, they are hidden, and therefore whoever trying to cut your hinges and access your home will not be able to do that, because that is what we call the hidden hinges system. And the most important, I want to show the lock system mechanism. Three, we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember 8, and there's up here 9 points. And there is a hidden lock, because we've had many clients asking us, do I have to use my key all the time when I'm in the house? And the answer is, we've taken care of this. So when you are inside your home, you don't need to use your key because you will use this hidden lock. And therefore, I talked about the issue of natural light. It's very important in your home to give you that good source of health benefits which comes with natural light. And it has a fancy grill and a factory fitted glass. That is the double version of it. The same thing on the single door, but the width is 90 centimeters and the height is 2.3 meters, including the glass. You don't need to imagine what happened 500 years ago. I've shown you some features, and I forgot one last bit of it. The viewer. This is the door viewer with a very rustic or antique finish. It reminds you of Ottoman Empire, the Viking Raiders, Roman Empire, Egyptian Empire. Which empire do you love and do you like? Comment below. Thanks.